software, so tell me if it's any better. Oh. And I don't have my right skin on. That's not good.
Water skin on, it's fine.
I have to be the chicken.
Being axolotl the Rebel. It was said by the president of the USA initiative. I mean, the president's enough.
Yeah. Now I'm wearing the right skin. Okay, well, welcome back to another video. And I am here with my friend Jack again. No, not yet. No.
Hey, now I'm not
There.
The French fries was a lame joke.
Nope. Say goodbye, Jack.
I will live.
No,
I
you
am
won't.
with that. No, seriously, I will come back. No! Somebody would probably say it.
Most likely not.
Why would somebody help me so I don't turn into a popsicle?
Run, Jack! Well, say goodbye. We're gonna have a frozen axolotl.
I will never please. I have too much willpower. I'm gonna turn to Super Saiyan Jeff. Okay, oh wait, I froze.
Huh? Say goodbye.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will. You have a frozen axolotl.
No. I'm alive.
I wonder if we can. Let's see. No. Oh, round is over. Okay, I guess it's over. I want a frozen axolotl right now.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes. No, no. Let me eat your axolotl. Ooh, I'm gonna vote. Num num num.
Okay, get this axolotl bud. I have the power to be here.
No.
I'm
No.
just eat one.
Is it gonna load? 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 It's finally loaded. Okay, we're both survivors. Ooh, the bomb. Oh! Oh!
Yeah. What's with you at 78 win?
No, that's what level they are.
Oh. How many level are you?
I'm level 18.
Put attention on me. You guys want to see some real skill? Purple.
This parkour is so easy.
I'm bad at computer. I'm pretty much. I'm not that good on but I'm good at piggy, that's all.
We don't talk about Piggy.
What was
We
I
don't
just
talk about Piggy.
doing?
But I was an officer, I was exploring
I know,
an
copyright.
abandoned house. What?
Copyright.
What? It's no other song. It's its own song.
But YouTube algorithm, they know when you're. They know.
Piggy walks in with a mischievous smile. With a bat.
They don't even
Run
have.
or you will die. I don't know. I need time to think about a Piggy version of a specific song.
Hey, maybe let me just make one.
Oh,
Alright.
you're the beast.
Me. Now you guys are going to see some real skill.
What, by a level 3?
Yep. You'd be surprised how my skill has evolved. I played on phone once today. Oh my god. I have never been in I've been into an airport, but I've been in an airport, but I've never been in one of the planes.
You've never been in a plane?
Yeah. I've been in an airport.
Huh. Even I've been in a plane.
Except for this fool.
Oh, so you're in the plane.
Oh shoot.
So you're not in the plane.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh god. Oh god. Okay.
As you can tell, we don't have the most quiet backgrounds.
Yeah. There were before, but there is a special person coming, which I call the evil one. AKA my sister.
Don't call your sister that.
She's a poopy. Hey, Henry. Miss Henry, I'm looking for you. Henry? Miss Henry, I'm looking for you. I've got it. Oh, there you are. Henry, what about your name? Henry? Henry? If you're just trying to vet game, I think Henry had to go to vet. Henry!
Oh! Who likes frozen chicken? No! Save the chicken! Save the chicken! No!
This is the last time that this is off.
Save the...
The last time you say "Gawk chicken."
No! No!
No, 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 no. Stop. stop. Yeah, I'm open.
No!
Oh, God.
No! No! No!
I'm gonna save this freaking for tomorrow. You're gonna be nice on stuff.
Help! Help me! Yes, thank you! Thank you, lady!
Oh, Henry, just, just. I'll let her go, but. You know what? Stop with the.
I got it.
Got it. You know what the chickens don't say?
What?
I'm gonna lose.
You're gonna lose, yeah.
Yeah, you know why I'm gonna lose?
Why?
I'm bad at the game. Oh!
Then why'd you say you were good at it?
Because I believe in myself. Come on, cats. Actually, that doesn't snuggle up with you.
You know we're at the other exit, right?
Henry,
Yeah.
stop.
Oh, I know that. Okay, bye-bye.
Oh my fuck. No. Are they gonna do Henry? Is my ready? Hey, okay, I'm ready. Yeah. It's not the TikTok. Huh?
Yes, fine.
We were Pacific.
What do you have to do?
I know.
Yes,
Hi, James. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
how do you play this game? What are you supposed to do?
Well, this is just the loading lobby. But in the actual game, there's a beast. And then they try and freeze everyone. And then everyone has to try and escape.
So it's pretty much me
Kind of.
Hi.
or Jeff.
Thank you.
But James, say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi, YouTube.
You say you algorithm.
YouTube algorithm?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what I said.
See?
I can't see.
You can.
I'm gonna...
Why?
Jack.
No.
Jack, I'm gonna get a frozen axolotl.
No.
You gotta move that way.
Are you saying?
No, because the cord's in the way. You gotta scoot over.
I'm hungry for frozen axolotl. I want an axle stick.
What I'm just gonna do? You ever seen a two-headed chicken? I'm dealing with that. Have you ever seen grasshopper hopped on two legs? Yeah. I mean Henry.
No.
Yeah. Because you haven't seen stuff since you were 40. Ah! What are you doing with that Lego?
YouTube, we're watchers, as you can see. We're not a professional channel. We are just playing in our rooms.
Yeah, I'm playing in the living room.
Good. Bigger?
Yeah.
Oh, not.
No, I'm in the living room. In real life.
That's what I said. Yeah, in real life.
And I'm the one computer I just destroyed. says God. If the party says die. I think that's why I go to my old man in the shed.
I don't think you should be talking to old men in sheds.
No. He put me in the shed.
Yeah, that's even worse.
You know how I escaped?
How?
I talked about school. He left.
Yeah.
Hacking computers. I'm hacking a computer.
What are you hacking?
You put up the middle finger.
No, I'll put it later.
Henry, you're gonna have to take out some parts in this YouTube video.
Nope. This is all gonna stay in. Ah, ha, ha.
Uncle Sam wants you.
He's gonna save a portion.
Dancing on the keyboard.
I can't move.
Alright,
Why?
Iron Man's helping.
Little Jay.
Now that I have frozen.
She likes to fast below his screen.
Are you gonna actually get that this Lego set? The Lego set you're messing with, they still have it.
Really?
Yeah, this is a new set.
Amen.
It's probably a complete set. Well, I'm at right now. I don't know. I'm just kind of.
Come out, wherever you are, Jack.
Behind you.
Num 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 num. I ate your frozen axolotl. Num num.
I know.
Well, that is probably all for this video. I know it's a short video, but I do have to go. So, goodbye, everyone. Have a great day.